Welcome to DelphStack. In this video, we will fix the invalid license error in Android games. First, the most common fix is reinstalling the game from official sources. If you installed it using an APK file from outside the Play Store, uninstall it completely. Then, open the Google Play Store, search for the game, and install it again. This ensures the correct license verification is applied. Before we go into device settings, keep in mind that every brand of Android phone has different menu placement. Samsung, Xiaomi, Oppo, Vivo, and others may show settings in slightly different locations, so always find the closest matching option on your device. Next, go to Settings, then Apps, then find your game. Tap Storage, and then Clear Cache and Clear Data. This removes corrupted files that may block license verification. After that, restart your phone to refresh system services. Finally, make sure your Google Play Store is updated. Open the Play Store, tap your profile icon, go to Settings, then About, and check for updates. An outdated Play Store can fail to verify licenses properly. After completing these steps, open your game again, and the error should be resolved. Thanks for watching.